Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. Friends, in this lecture we are going to learn a trick that is used to remember the trigonometric values, which are the sine theta, cos theta and the tan theta at the angle of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and the 90 degree. And for this trick, first of all you have to remember that the hand that you will use for this trick is the right hand, and in the right hand the 5 fingers represent the different angles. Okay, first of all the thumb represent the 0 degree, and then the next finger represent the 30 degree, then next 45 degree, 60 degree, and the last small pinky's finger will represent the 90 degree. Okay, so then you have to remember that this thumb side will represent the sine theta values and the pinky side represent the cos theta values, and the formula which we will use for this trick is the x over 2. Okay, so the first of all at the angle 0 degree, okay, at the angle 0 degree the value of the sine theta is 0. How? So the first of all, by remembering these points, we know that the thumb side represent the sine theta. Okay, the thumb side represent the sine theta, and at the 0 degree, it's mean that is not any further finger behind this thumb side. It's mean that it is 0. So the value of x is also the 0. So by putting the 0 in this x value, okay, so the x under root 2 over 2, it will give the 0, because the dividing 0 by any number will give the 0. That's why the value of the sine theta at the angle 0 degree is the 0 value. Okay, and then that at the 30 degree is this finger. It means that the sine theta, we know that the value of the sine theta is shown by the thumb side. It means that at the thumb side there is one finger left behind this finger. That's it means that the x is 1. Okay, so the x is 1. So by putting x 1 under root 1 by 2 will give 1 by 2. So that's why the value of the sine theta at the angle 30 degree will give the 1 by 2. Then the 45 degree, for the 45 degree is this finger. Okay, so from this finger there are 2 fingers in the thumb side direction for the sine theta. It means the value of the x is 2 under root over 2. Okay, you can also write under root 2 by 2 like this, that the 2 over under root 2 over 2 over under root 2. Okay, under root 2 into under root 2 will cancel the square brackets, and the remaining is a 2, and the 2 by 2 over under root 2, which will give 1 by under root 2. Okay, so the value of the 45 degree of the sine theta at the angle 45 degree will give the under root 2 over 2. Okay, the next value is the 60 degree. At the 60 degree, the 60 degree finger is this. Okay, in the thumb direction for the sine theta there are 3 fingers. It's mean that the value of x is 3. So the under root 3 over 2 is the value for the sine theta. Okay, so this is the value. Then the 90 degree, at the 90 degree this is the finger which will represent the 90 degree, and from this finger for the sine theta there are the 4 fingers in the direction of the thumb side. It means that the value of the x is 4 under root over 2, and we know that the under root 4 will give the 2. Okay, and 2 by 2 is 1. It means that the value of the sine theta at the 90 degree is the 1. Okay, then we have the cos theta values, and from the second point the pinky side will represent the cos theta values. For the 0 degree, the 0 degree is this finger. So okay, 0 degree is this finger. In the direction of the pinky finger there are 4 fingers, because from this from this finger is representing the 0 degree, there are the 4 fingers in the direction of the pinky side. Okay, it's mean value of the x is 4 under root over 2, which will represent the 2 over 2, which is the 1. It's mean that the value of the cos theta at the 0 degree is the 1. Okay, then we have the 30 degree. So the 30 degree is the finger that is representing the 30 degree is this finger, and in the direction of the pinky side there are 3 fingers. From this finger there are 3 fingers that is in the direction of the pinky side. It's mean value of the x is 3 under root over 2. Okay, so this is the value. So this is the value at the 30 degree of the cos theta. Then at the 45 degree, you can learn it like this, that at the 45 degree the values of the sin theta and the cos theta are the same, that are under root 2 by 2 or under root 2 by 2. You can also solve from this formula, because at the 45 degree at the direction, in the direction of the cos theta there are 2 fingers, so the value of the x is 2. Okay, so the under root 2 over 2 is the value of the cos theta at the angle 45 degree. Then we have the 60 degree. At the 60 degree is only 1 finger in the direction of the pinky side. It's mean the value of x is 1 and under root 1 over 2, which will give the 1 by 2. Okay, so the value of the cos theta at the angle of the 60 degree is the 1 by 2. Okay, then at the angle of the 90 degree, the value of the cos theta at the angle of the 90 degree, so this finger is representing the 90 degree, and from this finger there is no further fingers and that in the direction of the cos theta. It's mean the value of x is 0, or 0 under root over 2 is also 0. It's mean the value of the cos theta at the 90 degree is the 0. Okay, then we have the value of the tan theta from the 0 degree to the 90 degree. For the tan theta, you know that the formula of the tan theta is the sin theta over cos theta. Okay, so at the angle 0 degree, the value of the sin theta is the 0 and the value of the cos theta is the 1, so it's also 0. Okay, so the value of the tan theta at the angle 0 degree is also the 0. Okay, then we have the 30 degree angle, and so at the 30 degree angle the value of the sin theta is the 1 by 2. Okay, and the value of the cos theta is the under root 3 by 2, which is in the denominator, and we can also write like this for our easiness. Okay, so from this the 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 under root over 3, so 2 is cancelled. Okay, and the remaining values is 1 by under root 3. So 1 by under root 3 is the right option for the tan theta at the angle 30 degree. Okay, so the 1 by under root 3. Okay, then we have the 45 degree. So at the 45 degree the value of the sin theta is the under root 2 over 2 divided by the cos theta value is also under root 2 by 2. So under root 2 over 2 multiplied by 2 under root over 2. 2 is cut by 2 and under root 2 is 2. So we know that the remaining value is the 1. So the value of the tan theta at the angle 45 degree is 1 value. Okay, then we have the 60 degree angle. So at the 60 degree angle the value of the cosine theta is the under root 3 by 2. So the under root 3 by 2, and the value of the cos theta is the 1 by 2. Okay, the 1 by 2. So by calculating it, this under root 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 over 1, 2 is cancelled by 2 and the remaining value is under root 3. So the value of the tan theta at the angle 60 degree is the under root 3. Okay, so the last angle is the 90 degree. So for the 90 degree, the value of the sin theta is the 1. Okay, the value of the sin theta is the 1 and the value of the cos theta is the 0 degree. So 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay, this is the undefined value. At the angle 90 degree, the tan theta is not defined. Okay, this is the very useful trick to remember all the trigonometric values from the angle 0 to 90 degree. Hope you have understand this trick very well. Please make sure to like, comment and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali Class and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So until the next video, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.